Dear friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. In today's session, we are going to talk about CSV file handling in Python. Now let's quickly understand it in this video. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it is a simple file format that is used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or database, right? Here you can see this kind of tabular data we can store in CSV files, and here you can see values are separated using comma. Now we will see how to write data in CSV files. We have this code showing how to write CSV files. First of all, we need to import CSV module, and this is the module provided in Python to deal with CSV files, right? So first statement must be import CSV. Then we are opening file using with syntax. So we are using with open, then we are providing parameters to it. First parameter file name, next parameter specifies the mode. So here we are opening this particular file in writing mode, so we are writing W, right? We have already discussed various modes of file handling. You can find the link given in the description box. Next parameter is new line, and we are specifying empty because by default CSV module adds new line after each row. Then we are writing as file. So this file is the object of this particular record csv.csv file, and then we are putting colon. So when we use this syntax with open to open a file, it will automatically close the file after performing all operation to this file, right? So now we are converting this file object to writer object using writer method of CSV. This writer method of CSV returns the object of CSV writer, and we are storing it in writer. Now we can write rows to file using write row method of writer object. So here we are writing writer dot write row, and we provide list to it. So here first row is student name, ID and codes. Next we can write writer dot write row another row. We can provide another record in the form of list, and in similar fashion we can provide number of records to it. And after performing these operation, we are writing print writing done, just a message to show that writing has been done. So here you can see these statements are indented with this open file. Here we are using colon. So after performing these particular operations, this file will be automatically closed because we are using this with open syntax. After running this code, this particular code will create a file named record CSV at current location. Here in this code we are writing each row using write row method of writer object. We can also write multiple rows in one go using another method of writer object, that is write rows. So using write rows we can write number of rows in one go. So here we have program showing how to write number of rows in one go. First we need to import CSV module. Next we need to open file in write mode. So this is the syntax that we have discussed earlier. After opening file, now we have this file object. Next step is we need to convert this file object to CSV writer object. So here we are using writer method of CSV, and this will return CSV writer object. So here object name is writer. Next we are creating multi-dimensional list. So here list is named data, and we have records under this multi-dimensional list, and using write rows method of writer object, we are writing this data to it. So here data is multi-dimensional list having all the records. So in this particular statement, we are writing these records to file using write rows method. After running this code, it will create the file named record CSV. So after creation of this record CSV file, we can see the content of it. So using Excel program, when we open this file, it will display the data in this manner. It will show the data in tabular format. And when we open the same file using Notepad program, record will be like this, as you can see. Student name, comma, ID, comma, codes. So each record is separated using comma. So in this manner, we can create CSV file using Python program. Now to read CSV file using Python program, we need to write code. So first statement must be import CSV because we are dealing with CSV file. Next we need to open file in reading mode. So here we are specifying R, that is for reading mode, and we are converting file object to CSV reader object using reader method of CSV. So here file is the object referring this record CSV file, and we are creating CSV reader object of this file using reader method. So it will return object of CSV reader, and we are storing it in CSV reader, right? Now we can extract each row from this CSV reader using for loop. So here we are writing for loop. We are extracting each row from CSV reader. We are storing it in row, and we are printing value of this row. So after running this code, it will print all the rows of this particular file record CSV. And here you can see we have 4 rows under this file, and after running this code, it will print all the rows, right? So in this manner we can read CSV file. We can also extract record using next method. So in this program, first we are importing CSV module, then we are opening file, the same file record CSV in reading mode. We are converting this file object to reader object. So here reader object name is CSV reader, and as we have seen, this CSV reader is a iterable object. We iterate rows from it. So we are passing it as a parameter to next method, and it will return first row, and we are storing it in fields. So this next method will return first row, and it will move the cursor to next row, and we can extract the remaining rows using for loop. So here we are writing for row in CSV reader colon, and we are printing value of row, right? So after running this code, output will be, here you can see first of all it is printing this statement, fields of file are, and value of this. So here value of fields you can see is first row of record CSV file, and remaining rows we are extracting using this for loop. So we have 3 records after this particular row. This code will print this output. Hope this output is clear to you. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write me in the comment box. We can also write to a CSV file with another delimiter. So here in this code, we are using colon as a delimiter. So syntax is same. First we need to import CSV module. Next we need to open file in which we are writing. So here file name is info.csv. We are opening this file in writing mode. Here file object is CSV file. The CSV file is the object of this info.csv file. Then we are converting this file object to CSV writer object. And now this time we are providing two parameters to it. First parameter specifies the file object. Next parameter we are specifying delimiter. So here we are using colon as a delimiter. So this will return CSV writer object. So here object name is CSV writer. We are using write row method of CSV writer. So here we are writing first record, then another record using write row, then another record using write row, right? So in this manner we can write multiple rows as we have discussed earlier, and we can provide delimiter to it. At the time we are converting file object to writer object, and we need to specify it as a parameter. So after running this code, it will create a file named info.csv file. You can see the content of it. So here you can see now delimiter is colon. Now to read file, we need to specify the delimiter. At the time we convert file object to CSV reader object. Here you can see we are providing two parameters to it. First file object, and next we need to specify delimiter. So in this info.csv file, delimiter is colon. So we are writing delimiter equals to colon, right? And using for loop, we are extracting each row of this info.csv file. When we run this code, output will be, it will print all the records of info.csv file, right? Hope this output is clear. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe this channel. If you have any suggestion, any doubt, you can write me in the comment box. Thank you so much.